Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to use the Husqvarna FS 400 LV concrete cutter. I'm renting this out for my 30 by 40 pad that I got to get ripped up because we're building a new home. It's incredible. It has an old blade on it, so it is a little bit slow, but man, it's cool. So let's check it out. There's two on and off switches right here, off, on. This is like the master switch. Here's your emergency switch. When you push it down, it's gonna stay locked. To undo it, you just twist it, and then you're ready to start it. To move the saw blade up and down, you have this little wheel here. Clockwise, it's already as high as it'll go. Clockwise is up, counterclockwise brings the saw down. And as you're bringing it down, make sure you're watching this little gauge right here. That's how deep the saw is going to cut. So for 4-inch concrete, 5-inch concrete, to start it off, you want to zero the blade out on the concrete. See how it's touching the concrete there? You want it to show 0 on the sign. Then you're going to lift it back up off the concrete and start it up. Have it on the on switch, have your choke this way. Make sure your lever's good, make sure your water tank is full. If you have a hose that can hook up to it, you can just hook up to the hose on this end, you know, turn the valve, and then you hook up this to the blade. It has to have water running to it at all times to keep it cool. It's a badass little machine. So let's start it up and cut some concrete. Hey, look, this wheel is also for your chalk line. Wherever this washer at is where your blade's gonna be at, okay? This is how we start it up. Make sure the switch is on, the choke is on, emergency switch is off, water tank is full, it's coming out on the blade. The throttle's all the way down. Now we can pull start. Take the choke off.